What is up, YouTube? It is pitch freaking black. Let's see if we get any light in here. Maybe I'll walk on out to the street and then you could see me a little bit. Here we go. We're in the middle of the street right now. I have a return right here. It's that big speaker thing I showed you guys in the last video. Didn't work. I'm glad I tested it. It's 8:30 at night. Goodwill closes in 30 minutes, so we gotta get there and get our money back. Let's go. All right, so we're in the car. There's a little more light. You can see the speakers right there. One speaker worked, the receiver worked, but that other speaker, I couldn't get the sound to come through. I dropped 15 bucks on this guy. So instead of letting it go to waste, we're just gonna drive up the road, return this thing to Goodwill, and get a credit. They only take returns on electronics if it's within 2 days, so it has to be done tonight. Put the key in the ignition if I can do it. There we go. I'm having a hard time with my left hand over here. And we are gonna head out. All right, we are out here at the Goodwill, gonna run inside. We have about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna see if I can find anything decent in there. And look at that, some shoppers are still going in. So let's try to get inside that Goodwill. Let's find at least one item, I hope. Let's go. All right, here we are inside the Goodwill. See if we see anything in the electronics section. We'll find out. Got a whole bunch of stuff. These phones can be pretty good, actually. 8 bucks, it feels extremely light. I don't think they're all in there. There's a Soda Stream for 35. That's actually not a bad deal, I don't think. Found a couple TI-84s, not too bad, 12 bucks a piece. See if they work. It's all the new stuff that they brought out. They close very soon, so I won't be able to go through all of it, but this is all new stuff in these bins right here. I was taking a look through some of these games and stuff, but not really finding much in here in the games and DVD section. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, but barren in anything that's, you know, a great deal. All right, so we just left the Goodwill, got 2 bags, got the Soda Stream, 2 TI-84 calculators, got a JanSport backpack from in there. They had a whole bunch of JanSport backpacks, originally priced at Target at $36. They were selling them for $6. They probably had a good, I don't know, 20 to 30 of them, maybe a little bit more. See right here, it's like a nice teal, it says Trans by JanSport. I scanned the barcodes on them. Of course, this one has a horrible rank, not going for much, but all the other JanSport backpacks on Amazon are selling for $35, $45. Would have been great, would have bought them all, but I just got this for myself for 6 bucks. It's always good to have an extra backpack laying around, and mine is pretty shot. So we're gonna head back home. This was brand new on the inside of the box, this Soda Stream, so for $35. Obviously, I can't sell it as new because the box does have a little bit damaged. It is opened, unless they don't come with a seal. I don't see why they wouldn't come with a seal. I'm gonna have to look on eBay, compare pictures, see what this actually looks like brand new. If it doesn't have a seal and it's normally like that in the store, then I can sell it as brand new because everything inside is brand new. So still gonna have to double check into this bad boy, test those calculators. I know I didn't get a lot of footage inside there, really any at all, but I was trying to be quick. There were a few people walking around. I didn't want to be filming them, going all over the place talking while they were trying to clean up and close up. So I just got my stuff, got out of there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little walkthrough. I did get that return, so 15 bucks got taken off. I was able to find some more items in there, so it was definitely worth it. Since I only had 2 days, it had to be done today. I really wish that item worked though, because I spent $15 on it and it was selling for about $100, $150. That would have been way better, but I just could not get one of those speakers to work, sadly. So this was a, just a quick ride along video. You guys saw the inside there. You saw that, they do have a lot of stuff, but when you don't have that much time, you gotta be quick, you gotta pick and choose. If I had more time, I could have scanned all the CDs, could have gone and looked around the rest of the racks, but I just didn't have the time. They're closing up right now. Time to go home, time to have dinner, late dinner, 9 o'clock dinner. But it is what it is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya. Alright guys, I just realized that video was only about 5 minutes long, so I wanted to give you guys a quick look at what I am actually in the middle of working on now that I'm home. This is an FBA shipment that I am getting out and about, getting ready to go. And I just want to walk you guys through kind of some of the stuff I'm going through. You guys will see some of the stuff that I include into these shipments. We have a couple board games right here, a Monopoly NASCAR, a Seinfeld Seen It, a couple CDs, there and there. You could see video games, because I sit right here. This isn't my actual computer chair, but I brought this in from the kitchen dining room table because I was using my computer chair to play video games. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. But so I've been sitting here listing stuff right here over on Amazon. You can see right here I was working on the video and I realized this is not long enough. I gotta do something. So I just take my items when I scan them in. I use a wireless barcode scanner right here, which is, you know, super helpful. It's great to list. You just go beep 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 real quick, get everything listed over on Amazon, and I've just been tossing them over here. You can see we got a bunch of video games. We got Harry Potter. We have NBA 2K13, Gallop and Ride. Maybe these are some games you've never heard of. And now you'll know to pick them up. We got MLB 2K12, and, you know, just some interesting things. We have some Wilton cake pans that I'm working on, a VTech learning game, a lot of cake pans, a lot of crazy stuff. And I have this right here. It's Guitar Hero 2. I paid $8 for. Now, it's nice because it's complete in the box. It still has the sticker booklet unused down there. The only issue, the game isn't in here. So I went over and I checked on eBay, and somebody is selling disc only the game for $2.65 shipped. I don't know how they're making any money on that at all, but I bought it. And it will be here soon. They've sold 135 of them, so they are a big seller of video games. Maybe they get a very good shipping discount. I'm not sure, but that's pretty sweet there. This goes for a decent amount of money when it's complete like this, so I am happy about that. But I do have to wait to include this into the shipment. Peel the sticker off. You can see right here there's a permanent marker written on it. Nail polish remover will remove this really good. You just have to be careful because it could smudge artwork. It could dilute the colors. So you got to be very careful with removing that. I might actually just leave that there because it doesn't look like a full price. You can see right here the price was $7.99. They write 7B because it's a blue tag at this thrift store. It's kind of a pain. They write permanent marker on everything they sell. It is what it is, you know. I think one of these games is from that store. I think it's this game right here, and you could see right on the disc, permanent marker. So I tend not to scrub it off on the disc because then it really smudges colors around. I just leave it on the disc. It's really not that big of a deal. So that's what I'm working on right now. Got a nice, you know, it's not a large shipment. It's just some bunch of random things. You guys see what I sell. I always tell you guys I mostly sell video games, board games, toys, things like that. Here are a bunch of my sales, as you guys can see over on Amazon. Video games make up over 50% of what I'm selling right now on Amazon. Now, once fourth quarter comes, these numbers are going to skyrocket, but still, over 50%, that is just insane to me. I just tend to find a lot of that in the areas near me, but I just moved into this new place, and this is the office that's still getting set up. I set up a new shelf here with items that are listed, getting listed, just trying to figure it out. Same thing with these boxes right here, trying to sort through a bunch of items. These are shipping materials. I have another shelf that's going to be going right here, be able to put stuff on it, and then a lot of this will get up. We have some clothing that needs to get sorted, and then this is just a big electronics bin of plug-and-plays and things like that. So I am running very behind on listing for Amazon and even on eBay, guys. I'm just running behind with this whole move, so got to get all this stuff listed, got to get it up, and there's a lot of money to be made. You can see right here, I have lots of receipts from recent purchases and a bunch of CDs that are merchant fulfilled because the ranks are kind of high. But that's what I got going on, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. Till next time, see ya.